How do I purchase and access the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass?
Hello there, fellow Dragon Ball fans. In this video, we're going to talk about how to purchase and access the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass. The Season Pass is a fantastic way to unlock additional content and enhance your gaming experience, so let's get started.
What is the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass?
The Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass is a bundle of additional content for the base game. It generally includes new storylines, characters, missions, and more, giving players a much more extensive gaming experience.
Where can I purchase the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass?
You can purchase the Season Pass from the same platform where you bought the base game. The platforms can be PlayStation Store for PS4 or PS5, Microsoft Store for Xbox One or Xbox Series X, Steam for PC. Make sure to search for Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass in your platform store.
How do I purchase the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass?
1. Open the store application on your console or PC. 2. Go to the search bar and type in Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass. 3. Click on the Season Pass from the search results and select Purchase or Buy. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. Please make sure that you have sufficient balance in your store wallet or a valid payment method linked to your account.
How do I access the content from the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass?
Once the purchase is successful, the additional content should automatically start downloading. If it doesn't, you may have to manually initiate the download. To access the downloaded content, start the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot game. The new content should be integrated into your game and accessible as you play. And that's it. You now know how to purchase and access the Dragon Ball Z Kakarot Season Pass. Enjoy your extended journey in the Dragon Ball universe. As always, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more guides like this one. Happy gaming!